Hey everyone, welcome back to another Odoo 19 tutorial by Cybrosys. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the equipments in Odoo 19's employee module. So the very first thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that the maintenance app is installed, okay? Because maintenance is the, key to tracking equipments in Odoo. So once you've done that, open the employee module. This is the employees and you can see the card view of different employees. So I'll choose one, which is Abigail Peterson. And if you go to the more icon, that is the smart button, you can see a thing called equipment. So click on that and it will be showing all the equipments that have been assigned to this particular employee. Okay. So if you want to assign a new one, simply click on new button over here or create a new one. Okay. So the name can be added over here. So I'll give the name as monitor and the equipment category can be chosen from here. I'm choosing the category. You can add description, and if you go to the product information, you have the option to add the model number as well as the serial number. I'll simply add the serial number as 1234, the cost and all such things, and comes the maintenance. So the expected mean time before failure and all can be specified over here. Okay, all such things. I'm simply giving the name and the serial number. Now if you go back to the equipment, so one more is added over here where you can see the name of the equipment as well as the serial number. Okay, so now if you go back to Abigail Peterson and if you take a look at the equipment, you can see there are two equipments which are assigned to this particular person. Now let me show you how, how it looks like, how to create a new one. Let me show you how viewing and reassigning all the equipments looks like. This is the equipment page. So I'm going to remove the filter. You can see all the equipments right now. So corresponding to each equipment, you can see the photo of different employees. Okay. So if you click this, you can see this person has been assigned to this. Now there'll be some, now this one, Samsung monitor, this has not been assigned to anyone. So if you click on this icon and click on assign, you can choose the employee to whom you want to assign this. So I'm putting Abigail. So that has been assigned to Abigail. Now what you have to do is go on and group it based on employee. So I'm grouping it based on employee. You can see different employees and the equipments that are assigned to different employees. So to reassign it, okay, so if you want to reassign it, it's really simple. Simply drag and drop it. Now this monitor, I'm dragging and dropping it to Amy Watson. So that is changed. The assignee is changed to Amy. Similarly, if you want to change it to Anita, then you can simply drag and drop it. You know how the changing works in the Canvan view, right? So that's how it works. So what if you want to see all equipments across the company? It's easy. In your current view, you just clear the assigned employee filter. Okay, as I shown before. And now you see every item, including those those are not yet assigned. Okay, so to organize this kiosk, clicking the search bar again, and then you can group by and choose employee. This gives you a clear Kanban view, organized by who has what. That was what we've seen before. See, okay, and this view is also great for reassigning equipment and to change ownership simply by clicking drag and drop and equipment card from one employee's column to another. So the equipment is instantly reassigned. So that's it. Tracking your assets doesn't have to be complicated. Okay, so by using Odoo's equipment tracking, you ensure all your important warranty info and serial number are centrally located and you always know who is responsible for what. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Odoo tips, and let me know in the comments what assets you're tracking first. Thanks for watching.